Okay, so I've been dealing with some transfer papers recently. You know, these kind of papers, just you print it on your laser printer, and so they will be full color and everything, and you just press it on there with your heat press. What I recently discovered that this is actually the first time I'm using transfer paper for light garments, in this case white t-shirts. I bought these papers. I didn't buy the cheapest one on eBay, but I thought the price was kind of like okay, I guess, and the rating for the seller and the specific product was actually very good. So I thought I'd go ahead and try that. And on the instructions, I was reading just to see if there is, if it's a hot peel, or what the temperature and all that kind of stuff. I always do that so I can see what the company suggests for that specific type of product. So that's what I did, and it all went terribly wrong. So I wasted kind of like 2 or 3 t-shirts, but I can't really get this to work. So I've been trying different types of, temperatures, different types of pressure on the machine, on the heat press. We're trying different types of how long it will actually cook under there. So let's go ahead and take a look on what it looks like. So this is what I bought here. I bought 80 sheets of this kind of paper right here. So they come in, so I bought 240 packs right there. This is just looking like this. Print other side. This is for laser printer right there. Reading the instructions here, you can clearly see that when it comes to the application guidelines, you can clearly see that place the printed transfer on the garment. Okay, so far so good. Press 195 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 seconds using a heat press only. Domestic irons do not get hot enough. Peel off paper after 10 seconds. Do not wait till it cools down. I mean, that is kind of like, wait 10 seconds. I mean, the garment will most likely be pretty much, pretty much cooled down. But on the other hand, it's also said, do not wait till it cools down. I mean, okay, so I tried this, 185 degrees Celsius, 15-20 seconds. I tried it, and I waited 10 seconds, and I tried to peel it off, and it wasn't really, I could still feel some warm in the garment, but it wasn't really hot. So that's what I tried. And this is the result right there. This is just some piece of crap right there. This is what it looks. Another one I tried for 20 seconds. This is the 15 seconds, by the way. This is the 20 seconds right there. This is also this is with a higher pressure, and this is also with a higher pressure than this one. So this is actually I think this is exactly the recommendations on the paper, to be very sure. This is something I couldn't really even get off of there. So yeah, that's what it is. And can't show you the whole logo for copyright issues, but this is also something, I think this is 15 seconds, and this is pretty much hot peel as well. I tried both cold peel, hot peel, and medium hot cold peel. Nothing will work. Nothing will work. So yeah, I'm thinking kind of like, I don't really know. I mean, what's the problem here? I can't get this to work. I'm thinking this is just some piece of crap paper right here. I'm not going to give this seller any good rating at all, because I can't use this paper. I mean, if I'm trying the same settings several times, the result can be pretty good the first time, but a complete garbage the next time. So it's so kind of like, you know, I can't use this paper, that's for sure. So with that said, I'm actually going to give up this paper. I'm not going to use this paper because I can't make a good t-shirt and then using exactly the same setting, doing exactly the same way on the second t-shirt, and it's a complete waste. You know, I can't get a paper off there. I mean, this is just some piece of crap right there. So I think I paid kind of like 40 pounds or something like that. That's pretty much kind of like 35 euros or something like that. So you know, I'm pretty sure that you know, for me it wasn't really something about the money, but I'm talking about the product here. I mean, I can't understand how people can actually use this kind of crap right here. I'm using my Galaxy heat press. It's working just fine. I've been working a lot with it the last couple of years, well, the last year I should say, and there's no issues there. It's exactly the same heat over all of the heating plate, so it's working just fine. So yeah, I'm absolutely not going to use this seller again. I'm going to give this seller bad rating. I saw there was a few bad ratings as well on the products, but so this is just crap right there.